How to print a brochure from Canva. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to print a brochure from Canva. First, go ahead and open your brochure designs in Canva. Once you're inside your design, click on the share button at the top right. From the drop-down, choose download. Now make sure you select PDF print as the file format. Next, check two important boxes, crop marks and bleed. The second one is flattened PDF. Now click download and save the files to your device. Once the download is complete, open the PDF file, go to print, adjust your print settings like paper size, quality, and number of copies, and then click print. And that's it. You've just printed your Canva brochure. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.